Welcome to GoRV Van of the Week. Today we're looking at the Monument RV, built by Domain Caravans. Domain have been building caravans for over 13 years, and this one is called the Great Nomad. A great couples van, 20'6". And I haven't seen one that's looked this good for a while. Let's go have a look. What do you think, Kat?
I love this van.
Let's check it out. The 20-foot Great Nomad model offers a spacious layout and perfect for two. You have a Queen Island bed set up towards the front of the van and kitchen in the centre of the van, and then toward the rear you have the ensuite, which is conveniently located so you can access it without walking through the other living zones of the van. And you've also, of course, got a great little washing machine. You really can see straight away just how much time and detail has been put into building this van. I know when I stepped into the Great Nomad, I was surprised by the level of detail on the finish. Matte overhead cupboard doors, a half slide out pantry, and I know that this exposed aggregate look bench top is a real standout. Vinyl leather upholstery. You've got so much value in this van. You have the 175 litre fridge, built-in kitchen, water tap with filter. It's even got the Davis Craig Australian-made 12-volt dust pressure van to reduce dust ingress whilst travelling off-road. They really have thought of everything. You'll be able to travel all year long as this van has 2x Sirocco fans for the hotter months. How nice is this?
So nice.
Well, the Great Nomad's interiors are absolutely first class. But I'm here to tell you, the Nomad's exteriors don't fall short either. Let's have a look. Now this van is ready for those long, off-grid camping trips in outback Australia. You've got an Australian-made 6-inch chassis and a 2-inch lift on the tuff. There's a 3.3 tonne independent suspension. And you also have a whopping water capacity on board with 2x 95 litre tanks, as well as a 95 litre grey water tank. It's a true off-grid van with 2x 170 watt solar up on the roof. We've got the safest hitch on the market, the DO35. I just love these hitches. They are one of the safest hitches on the market, and there's a good reason why. They articulate 360 degrees as well as 180 degrees up and down. Such a smart looking van. It's got a dual axis tunnel boot. More storage at the back. Not going anywhere without a spare wheel. A massive front toolbox, generator and portable fridge provision. Well, that was a look at the Monument RV's Great Nomad. A fantastic couples van. What do you think, Kath?
I'm so impressed. My bags are packed.
Let's go. If you'd like to find out more about the Monument RV range, you can follow Australian Caravans Direct on social media or visit www.australiancaravansdirect.com.au.